Hello friends, in this video I am going to tell you about the Staff Selection Commission recruitment regarding Sub-Inspector in Delhi Police and Central Armed Police Forces Examination 2020. Submission of online application, it starts from 17th June 2020. Last date for the submission is 16th July 2020. So here the category of vacancies are Sub-Inspector, GD, and Sub-Inspector Executive, both male and female in Delhi Police. And regarding the number of vacancies, so for Sub-Inspector male, the total vacancy 41 for unreserved, and for EWS it's 10, OBC 10, SC 13 and ST 17, and the overall it's 91 vacancy. And for Sub-Inspector Executive for female, the overall is 78, and regarding the Sub-Inspector GD in CAPFS, the overall is 1395, out of which 1342 vacancies are for male and 53 vacancies are for female. And regarding age limit, minimum 20 years and to the maximum of 25 years as on Jan 1st 2021. And certain relaxation for SC and ST is also given. It's around 5 years for SC and ST and 3 years for OBC, and for ex-servicemen it's 3 years. And the educational qualification required is any degree or diploma. Certificate holders who have studied in any open or distance learning mode is applicable for this job opportunity. And regarding engineering or medicine, dental, nursing, pharmacy and architecture, also physiotherapists or who completed their degree in open or distance learning mode are not eligible for this. And even the freshers are also eligible for this. They can apply and they can go through the process of selection, but they need to provide their educational qualification certificate during the documentary verification process. And regarding for the post of Sub-Inspector in Delhi Police only, for the male candidates, a driving license is mandatory. However, the candidates who do not have their valid driving license are eligible for all other posts in CAPF. And how to apply? This is the official website for finding out your online application. You can submit your personal data and all other relevant documents can be uploaded, and the date on which the photograph has been taken should be printed on the photograph, so it is also required. So please note this before you are going for online application. Make everything ready and then proceed with your online application. Then regarding the application fee for all candidates except women candidates and the candidates belonging to the SC and ST and ex-servicemen, they need to pay a fee of rupees 100. Centers of examination are also provided, so you can check for your own place and its code before filling out your application. Then the scheme of examination. So there are two papers. Paper 1, General Intelligence and Reasoning, General Knowledge and General Awareness, and Quantitative Aptitude and English Comprehension. So this is regarding paper 1 and it is of 2 hours test. Each category is having 50 marks. And regarding paper 2, it is English language and comprehension test. It is going to be conducted to a maximum of 200 marks and the time duration is 2 hours. Questions in both the papers will be of objective type and there will be a negative marking of 0.25 marks for each wrong answers in both paper 1 as well as in paper 2. So those who possess NCC certificate will be awarded with certain bonus marks in both paper 1 and paper 2. And the details of that NCC certificate based on A, B and C certificate, how much marks they are going to give as a bonus, it's also mentioned. They have provided a detailed syllabus. So after qualifying your paper 1 and paper 2 test, then you will be having a physical standard test PST and physical endurance test PET. So for physical standard test, they will be checking your height and the weight, and for physical endurance test for both male and female is provided in the application form. I have also provided the official link in the description box. I mean, the medical examination will be there. After medical examination, the finally selected candidate will be undergoing certain 7 obstacles. After this, a final list of candidates will be out for joining their duties. For further updates regarding the government job opportunities, kindly subscribe to my channel. All the best. Thank you.